Okay. Then previous class, as we discussed, heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. In that we discussed what is heating effect and on what factors that the heating effect of electric current is depends. So as we discussed, electric current produces three types of effects. They are magnetic effect, heating effect and chemical effect. We completed magnetic effect. That means when electric current is passed through a metallic conductor, it creates and produces magnetic field around it. By passing electricity, we can make an electromagnet also. We discussed differences between permanent magnets and electromagnets, advantages, uses, and also we discussed what is the heating effect. That is the heating effect of electric current. Similarly, when electric current is passed through, right? Electric current is passed through a high resistant wire, it becomes red hot and produces heat. Such effect is called heating effect of electric current. And also we discussed what is the resistance. So depending upon the resistance of conducting wire or a metallic wire, so the heating effect is depends. And what is the nature of the material, what material you have to use. Then also amount of heat produced by electric current through when electric current is passed through the conductor depends on nature of the material, resistance of the material, and amount of electric current passing through it. Right. Let us discuss today applications of the heating effect of current. What are the daily life applications we have in our day-to-day life? Heating effect. Electric heating appliances. Electric bulb. Electric fuse. Electric heating appliances such as, for example, if you take examples for electric heating appliances, electric iron, then electric heater, geysers, right? Then induction stoves, electric kettle, electric toaster, electric kettle, electric oven, electric room heater, and soldering machine. Are the examples for electric heating appliances. As we know, electric bulb and electric fuse. So these are the three applications we have in our daily life. First, electric heating appliances. So electric heating appliances. In that we will discuss about electric heater, electric room heater. So the electric heating effect, the electric heating appliances like electric room heater, electric iron work on a principle that is heating effect of electric current. All these heating appliances have a high resistance wire like alloy of nichrome. You can call alloy called nichrome. So nichrome is an alloy, is an alloy has high resistance. So all the electric heating appliances like electric heater, kettle, oven, So electric heater, electric iron, electric kettle, such kind of heating appliances, electric heating appliances contains a high resistance nichrome material or nichrome wire. Such nichrome wire is called as a heating effect, heating element. So heating element means the coil of high resistance wire. The coil of high resistance. The coil of high resistance wire present in the electric heating appliances is called as heating element or simply called element. So you know this nichrome. Nichrome is one of acts as a heating element or the element, right? So then when electric current is passed through this heating element, the electric current is passed through this heating element by connecting to a power socket through a copper wire. Is generally called cord or connecting cable. If this heating element is connected, so for example, when we take the iron, electric iron. So there is a heating element is present, that is a nitro, we can call as heating element or element. This heating element is connected to a cable or a connecting wire to a socket. This connecting wire is called as cord or connecting cable. So due to the passing of electric current, heat is produced due to the heating effect of electric current. Then the heating element become red hot and produces heat energy. So in this case, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. So a lot of heat is produced. During heating effect of electric current. So the element is connected to a socket with the help of insulated copper wire called as cord or the connecting cable. Electricity is passed through the high resistance heating element. It becomes heat and produce heat energy. So such kind of effect is called as heating effect of electric current. It is electric current. Even the connecting cable or the cord also produces a little hot, because of that connecting cable has no resistance. As we discussed, if the connecting wire or the heating element or the metal conductor has no resistance, it produces less amount of heat energy. If the element or the metallic wire have no resistance, produces more heat energy. So in an electric iron, element and nichrome element or nichrome element has more resistance, become red hot and produces more amount of heat energy. Whereas the connecting cable or the cord also produces the heat energy, but when compared with the heating element, it is a less only. It is less only. Since a negligible heat is produced in copper connecting wires, they become red hot. Let us take example. This is the example of electric heater or the electric iron. The electric heater, electric iron contains heating element. But heating element is a nichrome, right? But nichrome or the heating element is connected to a socket through a connecting cable or insulated copper wire. An insulated copper wire is called as a cord or a connecting cable. Connecting cable also become hot during passing electricity, but when compared with the heating element, it produces less heat because it has less resistance. Less resistance. We cannot see the element in the electric iron because of it is fixed into the in the appliances. But in case of electric room heater, the heating element is able to see. The heating element is able to see with our eyes. So maybe it is like heating element. So here we arrange the heating element like this. We are able to see the heating element. We are able to see the heating element in the electric heater. So connecting wires, cable, all will be observed that. So whatever it is, when electric current is passing through, a heating element, due to its high resistance, it becomes red hot and produce heat energy. So in this way, this electric heater and the electric iron works on the basis of heating effect of electric current. Then here, why should we use nichrome as a heating element instead of other? So because the only reason is it has a high resistance. Due to its high resistance, nichrome is used as a heating element in the electric heating appliances such as electric heater, electric iron. This heat energy is utilized for different purposes. Electric room heater or simply called the converter has an element made of a coil, nichrome. When current is switched on, electric room heater after connecting to a circuit due to heating effect of electric current produces heat. So this heat energy is produced by electric heating appliances utilized for different purposes. In case of electric iron, that heat energy utilized for ironing the clothes. In case of room heater, also used for different purposes, produce heat. Then the heating elements of electric heater used for cooking food can be seen us from the outside. The heating elements of most of the electric heating appliances are considerable inside the body of the appliances. That means in case of room heater we are able to see the heating element, but in case of electric iron, electric kettle, electric cannot see the heating element because of they are concealed inside the electric appliances. So once if see if there is any repair in case of electric dryers, electric kettle, electric iron, how to see the heating element if it is possible. If it is possible, so this energy, that means the heat produced by the electric heating appliances utilized for different purposes in our day-to-day life. So that's all. One of the application of heating effect of electric current is electric heating appliances. So electric room heater containing electric element, that is heating elements. It should be connected to a cable, right? It is visible outside. So this is one of the application of heating effect of electric current, that is electric heating appliances. So let's see here a picture how these are placed. Let's see heating an electric room heater. It works on heating. So card given the element of nichrome wire is given. There similarly electric iron also is given to us, right? How these are works on a matter. So electric current is passed through it. Then what will happen? Due to its high resistance, become red hot. Whereas the cable which is connected also become hot. But when compared with the electric element, it become less hot due to its less resistance. That's all. Thank you.